to see the rheumatologist. No matter what the PET scan said, even though y'all know by now, the PET scan said that there was no sign or no evidence of cancer in my body anymore. But that doesn't stop everything right then. That doesn't mean that everything stops. Oh, they saying there's no signs of cancer in your body. They saying that they want to make sure everything is cool. Now we have to figure out how to fix the things that the chemo and the cancer has damaged. So I am here at the rheumatologist because I think I told you guys, when they do like your ESR levels, which is inflammation, it goes from 0 to 24. Mine was a 74. Again. And then also that they found 10 more cysts in my breast. But when they told me there was no evidence of cancer, I'm okay. But they do want to check out the cysts in my breast as well because of previous cancer history. So I'm fine with that. But y'all, my back lately, let me tell y'all, when I tell y'all the pain is indescribable, my back hurts so bad to where it hurt when I sit, it hurt when I stand too long, it hurt when I walk, it hurt when I lay and roll over. It's just, and it's not in like the lower part of my back, it's in the upper part of my back, like in between like my shoulder blades. Yeah. I was trying to see if they was calling me. But it's a journey. It's a process. And I gladly take on this journey. I gladly take on this process. I'm thankful. I'm ever so blessed. Now that on this journey that I've been on, so many things have been going on that God has put on me that I just can't leave at the door now that I got the PET scan that says no evidence of cancer. So that I cannot do. I have to keep going and doing exactly what he told me to do and what I promised him that I would do. So yeah, there's no letting up right now or ever. Yesterday was January the 29th. It was a hard day for me, a hard day for my family, but I think it hurts here to have seen my auntie leave. I know she's gone. I know she's in a better place, but to see her for one last time, that just hit a little different. My auntie was my second mama. My kids were my auntie's first grandkids before her kids had kids. My auntie was sweet. My auntie was different. But I'm blessed for the 45 years I had her in my life. I'm ever so blessed. Ever so blessed. And my kids took it hard. That's their auntie. That's who they know. So we're not gonna keep talking about that. But today I'm gonna take a break on actually like doing any physical work with my hands. And I'm going to really get my website and everything going. I have so many ideas for Diva and Dude with a Diagnosis that I need to write it all down. And I'm ready to give it to the world. I'm ready for the world to know. But when God say, baby, put it out there, then I'm going to know it's the right time. But until then, I'll wait till they call my name. Oh Lord, here comes somebody. They might be calling me. That's not me. So y'all, no chemo this week. No intravenous chemo this week. Only the pills. So I just keep taking the pills every day. And these new pills that they gave me have a steroid in it. So hopefully it'll help me gain some of the weight back that I lost. It's always good to lose weight, they say, but when it's unintentional or if it's a health issue, but it's an excessive amount of weight, that's when they worry. Because throughout this entire journey, I have not gained 0.1 pound, half of it, whatever you want to call it, half of a pound. It's just constantly losing. But yeah, I've been so tired. Probably because I'm mentally drained and I don't really get the sleep that I need because this back. And it seemed like the more weight I lost, the more my back hurt. And I used to get these back injections because I had back issues a while, like years ago. But that's when my doctor was like, years ago it was something different. It was just the way I used to sit, posture, all of that. And I used to get injections. And then the injections started working, and I haven't gotten injections in like years and years. I know a good about 3 years I haven't had any issues with my back. No injections, no nothing. But now, this pain hurt worse than what I used to get with the injections. So hopefully they can find out what's going on. So if I have to come to this doctor every day for them to try and reverse and fix everything that the chemo damaged, I'm cool with that. As long as there's no more cancer, I'm cool with that. So, y'all, I'm gonna sit here. I have a couple things I need to do. What they say, I have 2 jobs now. I have one job that pays me, one job that's my passion. So I got to do the job that pays me to fuel the passion and the purpose that's in my heart. So I get it. But thank God that they both are self-employed. You know what I mean? So I am... Excuse me, I think they're going to call me.
Johnson?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I am great.
Come on.
So they are getting a room ready for me. Thank God I have not lost any weight, but I haven't gained any either. I'm the exact same weight. So with that being said, we're going to see what we're going to do. Keep praying for you, girl. Okay, y'all, I am walking to the other side of the building to radiology. I need to go and talk to them. That's a long hallway. Look, this little art piece is cute. Yeah. And they said if I would have drove... Look. They said if I would have drove, I would have to pay twice. I'm thinking this is the way. Oh, it gotta be. So I gotta go to radiology. So, let's see. Oh, wow. Just a line to get in the elevator downstairs.
Thank you.
Hello, how are you? Yes, ma'am.
What's your last name, please?
John. All checked in.
James, how are you? This is on
Here we go, y'all. Okay, y'all. We're going back down the long hallway that we came up. I went and got my chest x-ray, my neck x-ray, my back x-ray. Then I went and I got all the blood work that she had. Make sure I'm going to the right floor. Yes, second floor. And I did all the lab work that they wanted. So it's back home in grind time. Really, really grind time. Like, I have to tell myself, Sean, don't be bullshitting. No bullshitting. It's a big old TV. It might hang up on the elevator, so first floor. Alrighty, guys. I love y'all. See y'all later. And till next time, I'm gonna update y'all. So I get my results today.